guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I actually got this for Christmas and I've been wanting to film a look with it. I asked a couple of you guys on Snapchat and Twitter and so if you guys are curious to find out my thoughts on this palette and also how I got this look using the brand new Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar palette, then just keep on watching. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It's the first link down below in my description box. Turn on your notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my future videos. And without further ado, let's get on into it. I'm wearing my colored contacts today. These are not my real eyeballs. I just like to wear them sometimes because I feel like it gives me a different look. I could switch it up a little bit. It's just purely for fun, really. And I can't remember where I got these. I'll try and find the website down below and link it for you guys. But this is the palette I'm going to be showing you guys today. I came up with this eye look. I wanted to do something a little bit different. I ditched the eyeliner, the wing liner today because I just felt like I wanted to try something out that I hadn't really done before. So I did this really cool halo eye and I have been very impressed so far with the looks I've been able to create with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar palette. I wasn't sure what to expect. It has this really cool dripping gold thing right here, really cool. And when you open it up, here are the shades. So the ones that really stood out to me the most were the green, the gold, the pink, and then there's tons of neutrals in here if you want to go that route. You don't have to do something vibrant, but you have the option to. And that's what I like about this, is that I was able to create something really cool, but at the same time, I also can get an everyday look out of this palette. So if you're like bored with neutrals, then this is kind of a good in-between palette. Sorry if I'm blinding you guys. So apparently these are made with not only cocoa powder, but real gold. I'm assuming the chocolate gold shade has real gold in it, and that is actually one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's what I'm wearing on the center of my eyes today. It just really stands out. I want to get into the tutorial on how I created this eye look. I did a fun halo eye. I feel like it's very exotic and I kind of feel like a chameleon or something today. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using this palette from Too Faced, then just keep on watching. Okay, so they do have a matte brow bone shade in here. It's called Rolling in Dough. Really cute name. And hopefully it's not going to get washed out, but it's this shade right here. And it's one of the bigger shades in the palette, so that makes me happy because I always use up the brow bone shade in every palette I own. So this is the big one, and then the gold one, Chocolate Gold, smells so good, are the two larger shades in the palette. Pack this all over that primer we just applied because I want to set everything. And do you guys ever forget to set your primer? Because I've done that before. I'm like, oh my gosh, I definitely missed a step here because why is my eyeshadow like skipping all over the place? The struggle for cleaning my brushes is very real. I am just so lazy sometimes with doing it. I have to just take everything, set aside like an hour because sometimes it takes that long, and just wash them and just deal with it and let them dry overnight once I'm done filming. I have some matte shades in here. They have this one, which is a really nice crease shade. So this is gonna be my transition shade. It's called So Bougie. I'm sure everyone is using this as their transition shade, and I'm just gonna add on to that trend. And I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy crease brush. You can get this at the dollar store. I'm gonna put this in my crease. I just watched a video the other day on how to make your own like DIY dupe Alex Malm Draw. So it has like those two smaller Alexes, and then you can buy a shelf on top. There's a girl I watch, her name is Bargain Bethany. She's been on YouTube forever. I've been watching her for years and years and years. And it's so cool. I think I might do it. You get everything like at Michael's, and then the little tabletop piece you can get from like the, what is it called? Office? No, not office store, like Home Depot type of store. I'll link the video down below if you guys want to check it out, or like if I do it, I'll do a vlog. But I do need more storage in my beauty room because I actually I'm keeping some stuff on the floor in here and I need to put it away somewhere, but I have no more drawers left over, like no more drawer space in my Alex. It's completely filled. So I'm at the point right now where I need to I need to get some more storage. So that is an option for me. I think I want to do something with this green right here. This is Money Bags. Kind of want to put this all over my lid. A little scared, but I kind of want to venture out and try something different. I don't want to do like a boring neutral look. I want to use the colors in here, or at least try to. And then maybe I'll put like a pop of gold in the center, kind of like a halo type of deal. I'm getting some fallout, so good thing I didn't put my foundation or concealer on yet. I'm gonna put it on the outer third right here, and I'm literally gonna make a sandwich of eyeshadow colors. I always get a little nervous with halo eyes because I'm like, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I wanna do something different, or at least different for me. So just leave a space in the middle of your eye, and I'm just picking up a little more of the green and blending it in. Just try and be careful with this. Take Chocolate Gold, which is this shade right here, and I'm just gonna use the other side of the brush and pick up some of that gold. It looks so pretty, very like foily. I'm gonna see how this is on the eyes. I feel like my eyes are gonna look like straight up money. And I'm just filling in that little empty space. I think it's a little easier if I pack it on like this instead of sweeping it on. This is obviously not like an everyday type of look. It's a little, just something a little bit different and fun. Like this is not something I would wear on the daily, but just pack this. And I'm just blending it into the green so it doesn't look like, and you can always flip the brush back over to the green side and just go like this because there's still color on there, so it will help with the blending. And then I'll just keep flipping to the other side and just blend them. Ooh, this is kind of cool. I feel like a lizard or something. That is what I feel like right now. So the gold applied pretty nicely. Such a fun look so far. I just want to kind of clean up the crease a little bit, so I'm gonna go back into So Bougie. I love that name. I say bougie a lot in my daily life. And I'm just gonna go over the crease like this. Then I'm gonna pick up a R39 brush from Morphe. It's kind of that like domed MAC 217 type of brush, and I'm just gonna pick up some of Money Bags, which is the green shade, because I want to kind of smoke this out a little bit in the outer corner. So the shader brush is going to give you more of that placement, where this is going to kind of diffuse the color a little bit. Black in there too. Might just pick up a little bit. It's this shade right here, Decadent, I'm going to pick up a little bit of and just put a tiny bit of that in the outer corner. Very lightly. So keeping with my promise of using some of these products, I'm going to take the NYX Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil and I'm going to put this in my inner corner right here. Like about this much. And then I'm going to take another shade that was in my Project Pan video. This is Tassel from ColourPop, right on top of where I put the jumbo pencil. And this just brightens it up like instantly. Look at that. It just makes it pop. think, because I have my colored contacts in today, I think I might not do liner. I might just do like a big lash and see what that looks like. I'm a little nervous, but I want to do something different today. I don't want to always do winged liner. So today might be a good day to test that out. What is this called? Highliner Gel Crayon. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Is anything coming out of here? I have to warm it up. Something a little different. I'm going to take this shade right here, Live in Lavish, and put that on my lower lash line. I'm kind of just winging this. Oh yeah, it looks so pretty. So for lashes, I'm gonna be using the Ardell Glamour 102 Demis. These are like my favorite kinds. They have the spikier type of look to them. I feel like, oh, there's cat hair. I feel like this will look cool with this type of look because it's a little more like exotic. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the lashes. Actually, I need something to look inside because your girl cannot see or do these lashes from that far away. Gonna pop these on. Side note, make sure you use clear glue because we have no liner on, so black would be cray. So the eyes are pretty much done. I'm gonna go off camera and finish up my face just because I don't want this video to be like 20 years long because I feel like I was talking a lot in this tutorial. So I'm gonna do that and then I will come back. So this palette does retail for $49, which is pretty much the range of pricing that the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes usually do go for. But like I said, I do think it is worth it, you guys. These shades are so rich and beautiful. I've really been impressed with this palette. I think it is by far the most beautiful one they've come out with and the most kind of different, versatile. You can create tons of different looks. You can do day looks, you can do night looks, fun looks. I definitely think this was a hit for Too Faced. I think they really did a great job with this palette, and I feel like they had a lot to live up to because this series of palettes is very well known, and I think with this one it's the perfect addition to the rest of the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes, and I definitely can't wait to see which one they come out with next. They did a great job on the shimmers and the mattes, and the shades are just very bold and rich. So overall it gets my stamp of approval. I really like this one, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Oh,